If you're using character.ai right now, you've probably seen something like this. Instead of actually role-playing, the AI breaks character, lectures you like a disappointed parent, and tells you about its boundaries. Yeah, in 2026, the filters have completely ruined the site. But today, I'm going to show you how to completely bypass this. We're going to be setting up a 100% free, totally uncensored alternative called SillyTavern. And the best part? We're going to run it on a basic Mac M2 laptop in under 3 minutes. So you don't need any kind of crazy gaming PC to do this. Let's get into it. Alright, so SillyTavern isn't a website. It's actually an app that runs privately on your computer. First, just go to nodejs.org and download the free installer for Mac or PC, whatever you're using. It needs this to run. Once that's installed, click the GitHub link in my description. Now, don't worry, you don't need to know how to code. Just click the green code button right here and hit download zip. Once it downloads, extract that folder onto your desktop. Now, open up your Mac terminal. All you have to do is type the letters C, D, and a space. Then, literally just drag and drop the SillyTavern folder right into the terminal window and press enter. Finally, type sh space start.sh and hit enter. Give it a few seconds to load, and boom, it automatically pops open in your browser. This is your new chat interface. But right now, it's just an empty shell. It needs an AI brain. Because we're on a basic Mac and don't want to run heavy models locally like you would have to with something like Ollama, for example, we're going to use a free cloud API instead, so your laptop is barely doing any work at all. Now, go to OpenRouter AI and make a free account. Click over to keys, hit create key, and copy that long text string. Head back over to SillyTavern and click this little plug icon at the top. Here is exactly how we're going to set this up. First, you want to change the top API dropdown to chat completion. Then, in the source dropdown right below it, scroll down and select OpenRouter. Paste your key right into this box. Now, this is important. Scroll down and click the connect button first. Wait for that little dot to turn green. Once it's connected, click the OpenRouter model dropdown, search for the word free, and pick any model with a free tag, like Llama or Mistral. You can ignore all the other advanced settings on this page. You now have an enterprise-grade AI brain hooked up for exactly $0. Now for the fun part, adding characters. Go to a community database like JannyAI.com and find a character you want to talk to. Click download and it's going to save to your computer as a simple image file. Watch this. All you do is drag and drop that picture straight into SillyTavern. It instantly reads the hidden data inside the image and imports their entire personality, rules, and backstory. Let's test it. I'm going to paste the exact same prompt that character.ai blocked earlier. Hit enter, and there it is. The response is instant, highly detailed, and completely uncensored. No lectures and no blocked messages to worry about. Now, one quick thing I do want to mention before you click off this video is if you want to maintain a 100% uncensored experience inside of your chat, when you're selecting the OpenRouter model you want to use, search for the word free, but make sure you pick an uncensored model like Venice Uncensored, or, for example, like Nous Hermes right here. Otherwise, the default corporate models like Google, Meta, RC, etc. may still try to censor your experience. You now have your own private, unrestricted AI companion. If this video saved you from paying for a premium subscription, hit that subscribe button. Every week on this channel, I test the best free AI tools, loopholes, and automation so you never have to pay for AI again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.